Well, good morning, scrappers, scrappeteers, and my scrapettes. Thank you. All I ask is spend a little bit of time with your host, Treasure Coast Scrapper. Let's find some stuff on the side of the road. Curbside, garbage cans, dumpsters. We don't get into the dumpsters, remember, we won't be able to get back out. And I'm gonna be moving slow today because the camera's acting crazy. They both are. I don't know. So, without further ado, let's go. All right, we got some stuff here. Got ourselves a fan, and is this wire? That is wire. That's not wire. That's a piece of plastic. That is wire. Phone. Oh. Ironing board. Baby ironing board. Baby ironing board. And umbrella. And that's all. All right. And away we go. All right, we got a lawnmower. Let's get a lawnmower. And let's fix everything in the back there. A lawnmower in here. I put the stuff in there as best as I could with what I'm working with. Oops. Come on. All right. Didn't want to work. Take this off. Come on. There we go. All right, let's continue. Lady, she has a freezer here, so let's get it. All right, let's fix this lawnmower. All right, let's get the freezer in here. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Everyone says the same thing. They work fine. All right, so before we cut the cord, let's just leave it, just in case. But I've heard that many times. It works fine. All right, let's continue. All right. We just passed something here. Ooh, compressor. Little AC compressor. Probably just leaking. Just like one I picked up not too long ago. All it was a small little leak. That's all it was. One of the leaks in one of the valves or something. All right, but I guess they threw it out. All right, let's go see what's down the streets. Let's see what we got in store here. All right, we got another fan and a screen. All right. Let's get the cord from the fan. I feel like I'm in slow motion. What else we got here? Nothing? No, that's it. All right. Let's take a look over here. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like aluminum. All right, I see something here. What do we have here? Let's see what it is. All right. We got ourselves an electric blower. And 2 canes. Alright, that one is bent. This one is good. Maybe somebody can use this one. We'll put this one back here. But this one maybe someone can use. Let's not just throw that away real quick. Let's see if we can put this back here too. There we go. Both of them. All right, let's continue with our journey. Let's put this back. Nothing in the recycling. Nothing. All right. We're done with this section. Let's go to the next section. I'm always getting caught. Oh my goodness. How does it happen? How does it happen all the time? I don't know how to explain it, but it happens. Let's take these little wing nut things here. Could always use these for something. All right, let's just leave it right there for right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that freezer, but we'll leave it right there for right now. Let's continue. That's our favorite item. Television. Television. I love TVs. Like I said once, and I'll say it again, they don't take them at the scrapyard, but I scrap them out, take the stuff out of them, and put it for sale on eBay as soon as I get enough. Yes, I will. It's all about $1.
don't have a problem with it. Oh, honest dollar. All right. Sure, it's not gonna go in there right now. Let's just leave it in there for right now. Let's continue before we get caught by this garbage man. All right, come on. I need y'all's help. You're along for the ride through thick and thin. All right, we got it in here. Too far? Come on. Whoa. All right. All right, we took what we needed. That's it. We're not gonna take anything else off of it. Squeeze it in there. All right, let's put this the mini fridge on top of the stove. Come on. There we go. Whew. There we go. There. All right. It'll work. Of course it will. We'll leave that right there. How's that? That ain't bothering us? Leave it right there. We got room for the washer. All right. Let's finish up. Let's finish up. There we go. All right. Let's get it home. Let's there we go. All right. That didn't hurt. All right, we're done. We're going to the scrapyard before I go to the doctor. That's it. That's all we had time for. I mean, we got Betty loaded. She got plenty of good stuff in there, and we picked up some dirty aluminum they told us in the garbage can. So yeah, that's what we got. Yeah. All right, so we'll see you at the scrapyard. All right, we made it. We made it. We made it. Let's unload Betty. Go home, take a shower, relax just a little bit, and go to our doctor. Let's see what we weigh. 39.80 it is. All right, let's get unloaded. All right, let's get in here. All right, that one's out of the way. There we go. There we go. Out of here. Oh. The other one. Let's get this one out of here. And we call it a day. Come on. No hard day, no hard time. We're out of here. Yeah, that one's gone. All right, 3420, 3400, 3420, 3400, something like that. All right, let's roll. All right, so we came in at 3980, left at 3420, 560 pounds, 3920, 3920, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 20. Yes, it is. All right. Well, thank you for spending some time with your boy, Treasure Coast Scrapper, your friend in need. Yes, in need. But thank you for subscribing, sharing, like, comments, everything that you do. I can't do it for you. I can't make up your mind. That's all I can say. Thank you again. See you on the next episode. Treasure Coast Scrapper. God bless. Be safe.